So you already know whenever the video starts off inside of a tool bag what it is we're gonna be doing.
Going to the junkyard, man! Yeah, so a local junkyard of ours out here is having a 50% off sale today. So Braven needs something and I need something. We're going for very specific things. I'm hoping that we find it. You guys know how junkyards go though. It's more than likely we won't, I don't know. I'm going in with the mindset that there's gonna be 50 of them sitting there and I have to choose which one I want.
Got my bucket of Gojo for cleaning our hands too. Never leave the house without it. Oh yeah.
Also going to drop off some wheels at the tire shop for Rughead.
Oh yeah, I do need that. Does that screw on?
Sick. Alright, so we found a CRV. This is what I'm looking for. Unfortunately, I don't have any Colorados for Braven. What else did I need? I know I need this, and I know I need the driver door handle, interior door handle, so I think that's gone. Just cut this out and go weld it back on mine. Hell freaking yeah, look at that. From the factory, they don't paint the back. Slackers, man. Oh. Dude, it was still like on there, bro.
Yeah, that's what I had to do. I just kind of shimmied it off and it came off.
Wiggle it a little bit. Dang, now we can put freaking clean fenders back on the CRV. You know? Uncut. There has to be something that we're freaking forgetting. I would say put it in the comments below what it is I'm forgetting that we need for the CRV. But, you know, by the time you guys comment, you know, I don't think that's going to work very well. Ooh, somebody left all these bolts behind for me. Nice. Nice. Oh, a little blinky light. This is an all-wheel drive, dude. Whoa, look. Sounds just like mine. I thought it was because of all the rust. Anybody need a back seat? No table. It's a good thing I checked to see if the table was here, because you know it was going to be in the comments. You check to see if there's a table? Alright, we came, we saw, we got exactly what it is I need. Freaking made out, boys! $53, man. $53 for two fenders. Like, you can't even get the freaking certificate knockoff fenders for that anymore.
No,
you know what I mean?
Actually a pretty good price. Whenever it said 50, I was just like,
hell
sure.
Yeah.
Sure.
Shout out to Rudnick! Yeah, boy! That's actually dope, dude, seeing a freaking Miata with a junk sticker. Hell yeah.
Well, we got Braven's wheels picked up.
Those the spacer boys?
Yeah, spacers.
Little spacey boys. All right, we're back from the junkyard, man. That junkyard was packed, dude. And really, the only thing I went for was fenders. Luckily, they had a clean ass set of fenders, man. I don't know exactly what we're gonna use a set of CRV fenders for, but how about this? Just to leave you guys wondering, I'll say maybe I regret doing some things and I need to take it back. I want to take it back. Just kidding. Anyhow, back at the house. Now we gotta pick back up on painting those control arms and my wheel wells.
Party, 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 party like a rock star.
Oh, baby. Okay, what color can you guys imagine sitting right here? Really? You know what I'm saying? Really? Tell me. Control arms, what color do you imagine going with this? All right, we got our base sprayed on the control arms. So yes, this is a base. We are going to be going over the top of this with another color. Kind of a color. Honestly, we're going over the top of it with clear. What the? All right, so I'm going to tell you guys my idea here. I have some clear coat mixed up. I'm going to add a little bit of my pearl additive into it, the same as we did on the control arms for the truck. But I'm also going to be adding a little bit of this gold. Oh yeah, that's a really nice freaking gold, dude. Anyhow, I'm going to add a little bit of this gold to the clear coat. I'm just dipping the stick from the gold into the clear, because you want this to be really translucent. That's what I'm going for. I don't want to do a coat on it and it just completely turns it gold. I just want like a golden clear coat, you know what I'm saying? Gonna do a little squirt of pearl. I'm gonna go ahead and just reduce our concoction a little bit. Just want to make sure it's nice and translucent. All right, so I'm gonna tell you what it is I'm going for here. So we have our pearlescent golden clear coat here, and I'm going over the top of a silver base. What I'm trying to do here is kind of mimic that zinc coated look. I don't know, I was kind of thinking that the control arms would look pretty dope in a zinc coat. So I am trying to kind of mimic that with paint. Of course, with paint, it's gonna have a little bit more sparkle because of all the metallic, but that's all good. Is it gonna turn out like that? I have no freaking idea. Either way, I think it's gonna look cool, but our ending result, is it gonna look like a zinc coated control arm? I don't know, probably not, but I'm sure it'll be close. Well, it definitely doesn't look like zinc, but I mean, they're gold, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, it doesn't look bad. I wasn't really liking the finish. Like it didn't look like what it is that I was trying to go for. So I just added a little bit more gold into the clear coat and just went ahead and coated them gold. So honestly, I want the control arms to be gold, just I wanted it to be more of that zinc look, that kind of translucent, like you just kind of like they look silver but gold. I don't know. Honestly, before I added the more gold, they were kind of looking exactly like the control arms that we put on the truck. I'm like, the hell, I may as well just painted them the same color. Anyhow, I'm excited to see those out in the sun because that still does have a very heavy metallic in it. They're gonna sparkle for sure, but we need to let those just kind of hang out and dry a little bit. And now we'll go ahead and shift gears back over to the wheel wells. I have some masking to put on it. I'm pretty sure you guys can figure out what it is we're gonna do with the stars, right? Yeah, I got some work ahead of me to get this masking put onto these because I mean there is a lot of dimension to these things, but I'm gonna do the best I can to just get through this so we can start putting our second and third colors on it. Almost done with it. So now I'm gonna do a clear coat. But I am going to very slightly tint the clear coat. I've already got it mixed up and I already sprayed some of my tint in there. I'm gonna do a little more. So this is just some black automotive spray paint I'm using to tint the clear. Not a lot. I'm hoping to clear coat it and just kind of tone it down just a touch because it's super bright, you know what I'm saying? So bring it down just a hair. Alright, these things are basically all ready. I have ball joints for here. I need to find the upper ball joint. I mentioned that to you guys already. I do need to still run out and go buy some lower ball joints. But before we can put any of this stuff on, I'm still waiting on my stuff to come in the mail for the zinc coating. Because as you guys know, I have all the hardware in here bagged up. Everything is separated so I know what is what. We're going to be going through all of this, cleaning it up. And I want to do a fresh zinc coat on all of this before we go and start assembling the Blazer. I just sent them an email to see, you know, the status of the delivery. I knew it wasn't gonna be like no Amazon Prime type shit, but I'm just antsy, man. I want to get this thing put together and I want to improve the zinc coating process. So I don't know, I'm just excited for it to get here. But look at this, boy. So I just have one bolt holding them in just for temporary. So I mean, a good portion of this is going to be visible inside of here, but I don't know, I just thought it'd be a nice little touch to the engine bay. The only things that I really have left, like as far as painting, is I want to do backside of the fender. Oh my god, more of that freaking gold color. Yeah, so we gotta do the backside of the fenders, and I might paint the core support. I might not, I don't know. Like I said, I don't want everything to be perfect. I kind of think like that little surface rust and some of this faded paint and stuff, I think kind of just adds to the character of the thing. So I don't want everything to be perfect, but I don't know. I might go ahead and paint the core support also. Just freshen it up, spray it all black. Maybe the back wasn't... Well, the backside of the hood ain't horrible. At least it's black, right? I don't know, is that gold? No. That's just rusty water, I think. I was gonna say, is that more of that damn gold spray paint? But yeah, I think the engine bay on this is gonna look pretty freaking epic, especially with that damn LS sitting in there. Hell freaking yeah. Imagine the Instagram shots of this bad boy. Imagine we do like a titanium intake on it or something. I don't know. I don't know. What on earth could we possibly be doing with another set of fenders for the CR-V? We're not gonna work on this today, but I have an idea. Well, honestly, this has been the plan the entire time, but that'll have to be for another video. Not today, I'm out of time. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, please do smash the like button. Peace out, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.